Anywhere you go,
Are you suffering from hair fall, dandruff, scalp itchiness, and bristle hair? Then look no further. This is the video you need to get rid of all these hair issues. So in today's video, we'll be doing apple cider vinegar spray for hair exfoliation so as to promote a healthy scalp. We'll be needing our apple cider vinegar with a one that contains the word mother. We also need water and then our spray can. When diluting it, you might want to use 1 part apple cider vinegar and 3 parts of water. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, Eco Jenny, and on this channel I bring to you lifestyle, DIY, motherhood and travels. So if you like videos like this, please do consider subscribing. Turn on your post notification button so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video, and please don't forget to give the video a like and leave a comment down below also so that others will be able to see this video as well. The health benefit of apple cider vinegar is that it helps in cleansing the scalp of products and oil buildup. It also adds volume. Cider vinegar has some healing properties for the scalp as it promotes a healthy scalp. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of apple cider vinegar helps to keep the pH level of the scalp balanced, as well as relieves you of itch and dandruff. Dandruff is a build up on the scalp that happens when too much yeast is present on oily areas of the skin. By using a mix of apple cider vinegar and water, you can help to avoid this build-up. It also helps to restore shine and protect the color of your hair. Apple cider vinegar also reduces color fading, especially when you have color treated hair. Apple cider vinegar will help to close the cuticles, thus maintaining your hair color's vibrancy. And furthermore, it encourages the growth of hair as it helps to exfoliate your scalp, making the scalp ready for new growth to come out, because the most of the product build up blocks your scalp, thereby the product you are putting into your hair does not penetrate. So the apple cider vinegar helps you to unclog your scalp and allows the product that you are using to penetrate into your scalp so that your hair can grow. Apple cider vinegar also helps in reducing hair fall with its potential ability to maintain skin pH and clarify the hair follicles from debris. Apple cider vinegar can help to reduce hair fall. So if you are suffering from hair fall and all the other mentioned health issues, if you use apple cider vinegar on your hair, it can help to alleviate some of these hair issues and restore your scalp to a healthy one. So try to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your hair care routine as it helps to exfoliate your scalp, making it very, very healthy. So guys, I'm done shampooing and conditioning my hair, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be moisturizing with coil activator shea butter. This is made for curls and curl, and I'll be using this olive miracle leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going to be using my oil here. This is my DIY oil mixture. I have in here jojoba oil, black castor oil, vitamin E, peppermint, essential oil, and I think olive oil and coconut oil also. After moisturizing it, I'm going to just maybe pack it up and leave it to dry naturally. No heat for me. This actually enhances my curls, but it also depends on how much product you use on your hair. If you don't use it much, you will not see the definition of your coils much. And normally section before moisturizing, but I don't have time to do that. It takes a little bit of one's time. You always want to moisturize your hair with a water-based cream first of all before you use your oil. Your oil should always be the last thing to use on your hair so that it can seal in the moisture in your hair. Whether you are using just normal water to moisturize your hair, try to use oil to seal in the water. I moisturize this maybe 2-3 days after to moisturize this again. I always like doing this. I have my peppermint oil in here, so I want to get that tingling feeling after. So the final result, guys, see that shine? That is the work of the apple cider vinegar. It added shine to my hair. My hair has shine, but the shyness is more pronounced. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification button so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you later. Mwah.
Thank you guys. Am I watching for mommy?